Good morning, everyone, and a happy Sabbath to you all. My name's Rachel Nabudde, your host on Enyimba za Kristo. Today, I just wanted to say hello to everyone who is following us. Thank you very much for sharing what we share on this channel, and also for getting in contact and giving us some feedback. This channel was set up in 2015, but towards the end of that year things changed and unfortunately it was neglected. But towards the end of last year I stumbled upon this channel and wondered why I never continued with sharing hymns on the channel. So I set myself a goal at the end of 2019 to share and also to promote the channel, so that by the end of 2019 we had at least 500 members. But you see, we set our goals and then God sets his goals, and we cannot really fight what God does. And I am so grateful to say that in the middle of this year, this is the end of June, we have more than 500 followers on the Enyimba za Kristo YouTube channel. We are hoping that by the end of the year then, if God allows, we should have at least 700 followers of Enyimba za Kristo. In the following weeks, in the following months, I'll be sharing more messages. The series of forgiveness is about to come to an end, and once that is finished, I'll introduce a new topic, and I'll also be posting new hymns that are coming from Uganda. The hymns that are shared on here are mainly in the Luganda language. So if you know anyone, especially those who live away from home, especially those who live away from Uganda, and they would like to hear good, harmonious hymns sung in the local language back home in Uganda, please do share it with them. Because living away from home can create a hunger for hearing our language, especially in worship. So please continue to share these hymns with your friends and family, even those who live in Uganda who haven't got access to these hymns locally. Once again, thank you very much for sharing. Continue to share our messages and continue to encourage one another through hymns, and I promise I'll also continue to do so. And also, if you've got a hymn that you would like me to share, please do shout and I'll make sure that I do so. Also, if you've got a hymn that you would like to be translated in Luganda, I am more than happy to do that for you as well. So stay blessed and continue to love one another, continue to forgive one another, and continue to live in God's grace, because that is what he requires of us. Once again, a happy weekend, a happy Sabbath. This is Enyimba za Kristo.
Soli